some numbers I can give here. So make it in two brackets. So I will give some numbers 2, 3. Oh, it's already list, right? So I forgot, it's a double. So input I'll give, enter some numbers. 2. A is an empty list. So here I am using for loop for I in range 0, n. So if you are familiar with other programming language, if you know basics in other programming language like Java or C or what it may be, so in Java we'll use for I is equals to 0, for I is equals to 0, I less than or equal to 1, I plus plus, I plus plus. This is the standard statements in Java. If you use for loop in Java, this is the standard statement. For I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 1, I plus plus. Here we are using for I in range. So here you can give the range. So here I am giving the range 0 to 1. So here I can give for I in range 0, 1. Similarly to this statement I am telling. So if for I in range 0, 1. So here for I in range 0, 1. So 1 will be incremented. That's it. So you'll get So once the program is ended here, so automatically it will take this is an indent block. So if we cursor move to this place, so automatically you will get an error. So that's why, and ideally some indent blocks errors will be there. If you find that errors, it will be easy to solve you. If you cannot find that error, so always it's showing indent block error, indent block error. So once the line is finished, place cursor here and press enter. Element is equals to input int of input enter element. So whatever the element it may be, and we need to add, right? So we are going to use the command called append of element n. So here we are going to enter the element. So I am going to enter 4. Again I am going to enter 5. Okay, so average is equals to sum of a divided by n. So I am going to printing the statement. So print average of elements, comma, round average, comma 2. That's it. So the average elements is 4.0. That's it. So if you want the explanation also, I had written some points here. So I'll maximize this. First, we need to select the I range from 0 to the number of elements is incremented each time after the body of loop is executed. So this is the for loop. This will be executed every time. And the element that user enters is stored in the variable item. So it will be, so here a dot append we are using to use. So we are adding some values to this element list, and now the value of I is incremented to 2. Value will be incremented to 2. Okay, so first we had given some number, right? So the value will be I incremented to 2 for I in range 0 to n. So what are the n values we are going to calculate here? The new value entered by the user for the next loop iteration. So iterations will be done here. So iterations on things will be known to you in loops. As of now, just for an idea purpose, I am explaining this program. So just concentrate it, you will easily get understand. So please follow the steps correctly. The loop runs until the value, the loop runs till the value of I reaches n. So the value of I, so the value of I is 0. So 0 to n, the value of I is initially 0. So it will reach to n. Up to now, the loop will be continuously run. So sum of A gives the total number of all the elements in the list and dividing it by the total number of elements given the average of elements in the list. Okay, sum of A. So this is the sum of A. Sum of A elements will give the average of elements in the list. So the round average of 2. So this is the round average of 2. The rounds the average up to 2 decimal points. So it will give the 2 decimals value up to 2 decimal value. 2 decimals the value will be given. And the average is printed after the rounding. So first it will give this sum value and after that it will be divided. So finally it will give the output here. So it will give up to 2 decimals. That's it. This is the program. So as a beginner, it will be a little bit tricky to understand you. So if you concentrate clearly, you can easily understand. So if once you understand, you can rewrite this program in your own way. This is the standard format. That's why I had written the same program here. So once the program is understand for you, you can rewrite the program in your way. Because I am a tester, I am an automation tester. So I don't have much programming knowledge, but as a tester, how much programming knowledge is required for me, I have that much. Now I am going to try this I had tried this program, so I had got the output. So the steps I had written here. So if any mistakes is there, kindly ignore them and please practice with this program. The variable. So you can clearly check. By using this discard, you can remove the numbers. If you want to remove any number, so without using the index position, so directly you can remove the number. So that's the main use of this discard keyword. So if you want to remove 2 numbers also, I can show you now. So the first one is 1 and 3. So I would like to remove those keywords, but there is an error we'll be getting. So if you want to remove 2 keywords by using this discard, so you'll be getting the error like it will take only 1 argument, but it will be showing like it will be giving 2 arguments here. This card accept only 1 argument. So if you want to remove 2 numbers by using this discard keyword, an interviewer may surely ask about this discard keyword too. Now I'll be looking one more keyword here. One more keyword. So we'd like to add the information. By using this add keyword, we can add the information inside our set function. So I would like to add the number 4 and I am printing my variable. So you can see it's added 4 inside my set function, so which is assigned to this a variable. Okay, I hope you are very clear on this. Now we'll be looking one more keyword here. So it will just copy the information. Now we'll be discussing this difference keyword. Okay, so for this we need 2 set functions 11, 22, 22, 22, 2 and 33 and 3. So this is my first set function and this is my second set function. We'll be looking now 1. So we'll be seeing the difference keyword here. So C is equals to B minus C. Okay, I'll be performing the difference. So here I am performing the difference operation. So it will print only the numbers which is present inside this B set function only. It will not print the numbers which is present inside the C set function. Okay, so because we are performing difference operation here, print C. So you can see 2, 3 is printed. 2, 3, because 11 is present inside the C function, and 22 is also present inside the C function, and 33 is also present inside the C function. 3 is not present and 2 is not present. So it will print only the elements which is present inside this B variable only. It won't print the C variable, but common numbers will be eliminated. So if you check with C minus B, then you can clearly know the difference. C is equals to C minus B. Print C. So it will be showing set function. Okay. It need to print one number, but it doesn't printed the number. Okay, I'll check with D. D is equals to C minus B. Print D. So it will be showing only the set function 1. Empty set function. I hope you are clear in this. So if you have any doubts on this, please ask in Q&A section and I will update your doubts as soon as possible. Now we'll be looking one more keyword, and there's a last keyword which will be very useful in this set function. Discord, we had seen the intersection, upper set, pop, remove, semantic difference, update, remove. So you need to remove the number which is present inside your A set function. So I'd like to remove 4. Okay, so I'd like to remove this 4 and I'm going to print my A value. So you can see by using this remove keyword also you can remove the elements which is present inside your set functions.